This question asks us to write a Python program to check whether a specified value is contained in a group of values. I'm going to define a function. I'll use two parameters and I will type a for loop as well as an if statement. So let's do this. So define a function. I'm going to call this function value and I'm going to pass in two parameters. One is element, which represents our desired element, and the other one is a group of elements. I just call it group, and we will check if our desired value or desired element is present inside this group. So for this reason, we need to loop through this group for I in group if I equals element, then return true, and if it's not true, then you can return it just simply false. And like as you saw, I put it outside this if statement under for, and we will try this function now. So let's call the function value, and then we have two parameters, so we need to pass in two arguments representing those. For instance, I'm going to say string A, and then for group I'm going to pass in a list of elements. For instance, we have integer, we have float, we have a string such as B. And now let's try this function. Let's run, and it says false because actually this element string A is not present here. Now let's try another one. Let's try B and see, and there you go, it now returned true. And this is all about this tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.